I wish I was a whale and I could swim all day. Everyone, swim.
Swim.
I'm swimming.
Swimming.
I'm swimming, and I'm swimming around the ocean. Everyone, around the oceans. Okay, so we have some whales. Okay, we have the blue whale.
Blue whale.
We have the gray whale. Excellent, Caroline, excellent. We have the
Beluga whale.
oh yeah, the beluga whale. I thought you were going to say white, so that's great. Beluga, he's got it. And we have the everyone. Humpback whale. Okay, so we're going to sing a little song, and we're going to be swimming around. Okay. So show me how you swim. Okay, and we're going to swim around the oceans. We're going to swim around the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Right here. We're going to swim around. The Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean.
Okay. We're going to swim around.
The
Atlantic Ocean.
The Atlantic Ocean.
We're going to swim around. The Antarctic Ocean.
The Antarctic Ocean.
Okay, ready? Here we go. I'm swimming around the Arctic. I'm swimming around the Arctic. I'm swimming around the Arctic. I'm a beluga whale. Everyone, I'm a beluga whale. I'm a beluga whale.
I'm a beluga whale.
I'm swimming around the Arctic.
I'm swimming around the Arctic.
Together, I'm swimming around the Arctic.
I'm swimming around the Arctic.
Together, I'm swimming around the Arctic. I'm a beluga whale. Good. Okay, who can put the beluga in the Arctic? Excellent. Way up. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, the next whale is the gray whale.
The gray whale.
Who remembers where the gray whale swims?
In
the
Pacific Ocean?
Pacific Ocean. Good. Okay, ready? Ready to swim?
Yes.
I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm a gray whale. I'm a gray whale. I'm a gray whale. I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm swimming around the Pacific. I'm a gray whale. Good. Who wants to put the gray whale in the Pacific?
Aha.
Excellent, Caroline. Good. Okay, the next one. Remember, this whale is the humpback.
Humpback whale.
And he swims in a very cold place. It's the
Antarctic.
Yes, good job. It's the Antarctic. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm swimming around the Antarctic. I'm swimming around the Antarctic.
I'm swimming around the Antarctic.
I'm a humpback whale. I'm a humpback whale. I'm a humpback whale. I'm swimming around the Antarctic. I'm swimming around the Antarctic. I'm swimming around the Antarctic. I'm a humpback whale. Who wants to put the humpback whale? Me! Great. Okay, and now we have a whale. What color? What whale is that? The
blue whale.
And the blue whale swims almost everywhere.
Oh.
The Pacific, the Antarctic, the Indian. Okay.
The Atlantic?
The Atlantic also.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
So around the world.
Around. All around.
All around.
All around, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm swimming around the world. I'm swimming around the world. I'm swimming around the world. I'm a blue whale. I'm a blue whale. I'm a blue whale. I'm swimming around the world. I'm swimming around the world. I'm swimming around the world. I'm a blue whale. Okay, everyone, take a blue whale and put them all around the world. Go ahead. All around the world.
Atlantic.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah.
And there we go. Have a whale of fun.
Swimming around. Swimming away.